Have you ever wondered why your teachers make you learn all of the multiplication facts? Why do they make you spend hours doing problems like these for homework? Believe it or not, there are a lot of jobs out there that require you to know your multiplication facts. And if you don't know your facts, many of these jobs will be difficult or impossible to do. Here's a look at some of the jobs.
Could you tell me how you use multiplication with your cattle farming?
When I go to sell the animal to test market prices, I analyze how much the calf weighs, by how much it brings dollar-wise, and multiply that to see how much money I would get out of the animal.
Okay. Would it make your life more difficult if you didn't know how to multiply?
Yes, I would never know what my prices would be, never know when to sell or what to sell at.
How long have you been a nurse?
For 6 years.
What kind of nursing do you do?
I am an emergency room nurse.
Could you tell me how you use multiplication in your job?
I use it to figure drugs for patients. I also use it for, especially on children, because you have to do their dosages by how much they weigh.
How would you perform your job if you didn't know your multiplication facts?
I probably couldn't perform it very well, and I would probably end up killing somebody.
It would be fair to say that it's an essential part of your job to know the multiplication facts.
Yeah, it's very important.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What do you do for a living?
I train a dog, and also I'm a dog walker in the Manhattan area and also in the Rockin area.
How do you use multiplication facts in running your own business?
I do that every day. For example, I charge one of my clients $20 an hour and multiply 5 days, 5 times, that will be $100 a week.
If you didn't know your multiplication facts, how would that affect your business?
That would be, I don't know how much I'm gonna get paid from one of my clients, and then I don't know how much is my income for a week, a month, and also a year.
Alright, thank you. Alright, could you tell me what you used to do before you were a paraprofessional?
Yes, I was a hairdresser.
Okay. Could you tell me how you use multiplication in that job?
Well, when you dyed people's hair, you used solutions that had to be mixed together, and you needed to sometimes double the actual dye to the peroxide, so you had to know your multiplication in order to do it, especially if you were doing someone who had very long hair and needed a lot of solution in their hair, so you had to sometimes triple it. So, and it was with fractions, it was with ounces, and it would be 1.5, and you'd have to double it or triple it. So you have to learn how to know your multiplication, otherwise it would be a problem.
How would that impact that job if you didn't know how to multiply?
I probably wouldn't be able to do anybody's hair who would die, because I wouldn't know how to do that, how to double or triple an application.
All right, thank you.
So, as you can see, multiplication is used in many different types of jobs. The next time you ask yourself, why do I need to memorize these facts? Think of the nurse who has to give you life-saving medications, the hairstylist in doing your hair, the farmer who wants to pay $9 per burger, or who can you really afford to have a dog walked every single day? Take your time, learn your facts, because it's very important in everything that you do.